Have you ever seen a chronograph watch that's actually curved? Not just the case or the crystal, but the movement inside of it. Today I have the Bulova CURV 10th year anniversary on hand, and this is the start of a 3-part real ownership series. Part 1 is going to be just first impressions and unboxing, which is this video. Part 2 will be a full spec and design deep dive. That's normally what I do for review videos, where I give you guys all of the details inside of it to make a decision to see if that watch is for you. But I also want to add a part 3, and this is where I'm going to give you my honest experiences with the watch after living with it. The CURV collection was introduced in 2016, and it made history as the world's first watch with a fully curved chronograph movement that excels in delivering precision timing. What that means is a thinner profile and more ergonomic fit, and one of the most technically unique quartz chronographs ever made. This line represents Bulova's biggest modern innovations, and honestly, one of the most visually different chronographs you can put on your wrist. Now, I was specifically interested in covering this model, and it was through the enthusiast post that I saw online. They had only glowing things to say about the ownership of past models purchased, so I thought it would be interesting for fresh content covering this 10th year model. I was also heavily curious about the dramatic curved construction parts, which all seem to flow cohesively together. It doesn't really look like anything else, and that alone made me want to experience it in person. So first impressions of the presentation. The packaging right off the bat, you're getting a higher feel from this wooden watch box. It's larger in size than the standard Bulova packaging you get for other models. Smooth to the touch on the outside, and it's sturdy and very protective throughout. Inside, there's a double cushion for both the watch and the additional rubber strap that is included. Everything is fit snug and protective for the watch, both inside and out of it. And you can tell Bulova wanted to take pride in presenting their 10th year innovation timepiece. Now, first impressions of the finishing altogether, you're getting brushing, you're getting polishing, and there is a bead blasting. In favor more of the brush finish, giving it more of a tool watch category, which makes sense for a chronograph movement. It has a great finish overall with a very striking design. There are cutouts by the lugs anterior with break lines to add more of a shaping to the case overall. I also noticed recessing with a bead blasting finishing for a metal contrast on the side profile of the lugs. The dial has a semi-skeletonized transparent floor displaying the high precision of the curved movement. You get a high legibility in time reading due to the bold hour and minute hand itself. I also immediately noticed the tuning fork branding applied at the 12, the crown head, and engraved on the clasp, which is synonymous with the brand. There are high surface rectangular pushers for the chronograph complication function. This style is designed for utility. High surface means easier to push even if you're wearing gloves. And I just have to mention this feature in the unboxing. It's something that I noticed even before the watch arrived. Bulova, for the first time in this model series, has elected to give both the bracelet and the strap quick release push button function, which means an easier, faster strap change with no need for a spring bar tool. Overall, I can appreciate the research and development to give us the detailed finish and function without it being over the top. Holding this watch for the first time, I noticed this quartz watch had some heft to it, solid and balanced in its weight from the watch head to the bracelet itself. On the sports rubber strap, it feels much lighter compared to the bracelet, of course, and it adds comfort if you have a heavier physical day or trying to dress the watch down. There's no comparison in having it in person versus seeing it online, which, to be fair, is usually the case, but even more dramatically in this instance. I of course knew the watch was curved, but I still was more impressed in seeing it in person. I even recommend removing the front crystal plastic covering if you're gonna see this in person to truly appreciate the crystal, case, and movement flow into the curve, because this, my friend, is what the watch is all about. And if you see the watch in person, don't forget to try it on wrist. The curved design is not only physically extremely comfortable, but there is a complete reduction of spacing at the lugs between your wrist that naturally flows just like a bracelet. Now, every watch is better in the metal, but even more so when it's a piece unique and you can see it at a boutique. So who do I think this watch is for? Well, enthusiasts always appreciate unique design combined with modern technology that leads to extreme precision like found in this timepiece. Casual watch buyers could also appreciate it. It's a piece that can mark a special moment, a career milestone, graduation, or something fun to pick up on a special vacation. Now, there's a few things that I'm excited to test. Over the next few weeks, I really want to see how wearable it is long term, whether the curved case actually improves comfort over time, how practical is it on the day-to-day. This was just the first look. The next video, we're going deep into the spec, engineering, and design details. Then after, real wrist time experience where I'll be sharing my full honest ownership feedback with you guys. So if you're just as curious as I am on how this watch performs in the real world, make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for the full series. It's never lost on me that you just spent your most valuable asset on this channel, which is time. So if you have any questions, I'm more than happy to talk watches with you and respond to your comments. Thank you.